Ito si Rose at ngayon po ay sineselebrate namin yung birthday ng Agosto. So, eto. Tapos na lahat kumain, kaya chika-chika time.
Ngayon na lang. Kasi okay na. Ano eh, parang nakalo eh.
Mukhang mabigat yung kanilang mga pinag-uusapan doon.
Sabi niya yung okay. Dati ako sa sa GM. Okay lang, hindi naman lang. Nag-pray ako, tapos hindi lang naman pray pinaka-biggest of my office. Tapos sabi ko nga na, boss, I actually have it for the last 2 years. I think it's enough. Because she told me it's just temporary. So 3 months, 6 months maximum. It's been 2 years. Wow! Tapos sabi niya, oh, we don't have any plans on getting someone else because we know that we can do it. Sabi ko,
So ito yung ano, yung swimming pool dito sa Dahlia Park. Yan yung mga building dito. Yan. And so ito. Yan. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.